Boom, 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 bass, 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 bass. When there's a groove like that,
Hi guys, this is Britt, and all I can say is welcome to Mugitech. Today I'll be speaking about lights, smart lights, in fact. I don't know whether you guys have heard. I'm sure you have, since these things are kind of old. But I'll be speaking about the Philips Hue product. Now, the Philips Hue product it's basically smart lights that change color to any specific mood or ambience or whatever color you actually want. So to set up your Philips Hue kit, you'd need three things. You need the bulbs itself, the Philips Hue hub, and you'd also need the Philips Hue app. Now, the app works with both Android and iOS. So please go to your Apple iOS store or go to the Play Store and download those apps should you have these bulbs already. So the Philips Hue bulbs are basically bulbs, LED bulbs that can be controlled wirelessly and change color. So should you be in an environment where you'd want to change the color, then the Philips Hue is the product for you. Some say that the Philips Hue product is actually not necessary, and I'm here to beg to differ. I mean, why not change the color of your room? Like, really? Why not? Why not? I mean, if it can change the environment and lighten your mood, then flip it now. Go ahead and do it. The Philips Hue product basically creates a certain ambience or a certain mood for you for whatever situation that you desire. Should you want to read a book, watch movies, plan a romantic date, and change the light bulbs accommodating those certain scenarios, then they're basically the perfect product for you. Now you ask yourself, you can change the color of the lights and create certain scenarios or certain moods for yourself to better your own environment or better your own mood. But now you ask yourself, but what else can the bulbs actually do? What else are the bulbs used for? One, you can change the bulb to whatever mood you feel for. That's the obvious. Two, if you download the Philips Hue Sync app on your PC, I think it works on Apple as well. You can basically let the lights sync to your music or your movies that is playing from your PC. Now, I've tested this one out on movies, and I tell you, it's actually pretty captivating knowing that as you are in the movie, the colors itself change to what the movie is playing. So, for example, if you're watching the latest Avengers movie, as you watch that movie, you'll see there's various colors that are interacting with you here. There's red, there's blue, there's purple. There's all these kinds of colors, and the bulbs itself, they change color with the movie. Now that's bloody cool. 3. If you download the Light DJ app or find any other accommodating app that basically syncs to playing music off your phone or any Android or Apple device, then you'll see the lights can create a certain disco environment for you. I say disco because that's basically the only term that I can think of right now to mention the change of lights in a rapid movement. But obviously, if you play with the apps, you can see what kind of changes they make. So yeah, 4. You can set your lights to be an alarm clock. So there is the wake up and sleep tight feature. So you can set your lights to fade out, and you can set your lights to fade in from night to day. So when you wake up, it's supposed to create this little subtle wake up feeling, and apparently it's supposed to make you feel more at ease. But test it out yourself.
J'attends que la marée noire monte, que les pluies soient acides, que le CO2 nous asphyxie.
So thank you for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Should there be anything that you guys want to ask, please comment below. Follow the description underneath, and I'll try and see if I can put more information out to you about this product. Otherwise, go to the website, check them out yourself, and I hope you buy them and enjoy them just like I do. This is Moogie Tech. Please subscribe and give us a like should you guys enjoy us, and we hope to give you better reviews in the future. Thanks.
Je fume ma clope en attendant le cancer, car de la patience j'en ai un de plus à voir qu'en faire. J'attends. I'm waiting and I'm waiting.